Hey man, have you checked out this new channel yet?
What channel are you talking about?
It's this channel dedicated to men's style and social skills. It's called Black Tie.
Oh, I haven't heard of it. What's it all about?
Basically, it's all about helping guys become more confident and charismatic in their daily lives. They cover everything from fashion to seduction skills, and even mindset and grooming tips.
That sounds interesting. I could use some help in those areas. What kind of stuff do they cover exactly?
Well, they offer tips on how to dress for your body type, how to use body language to your advantage, and how to overcome shyness and negative self-talk. They also provide expert knowledge on the latest fashion trends and grooming tips for your skin, hair, and body.
Wow, that sounds like a lot. Do you think it's worth checking out?
Definitely. I've already subscribed and watched a few videos. The host really knows his stuff and has some great tips that I've already started implementing in my own life.
All right, you've convinced me. I'll have to check it out for myself. What's the channel name again?
Black Tie Channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any new videos.